Okay, this is an interesting lift.
We're at level
that.
4.
Okay, hopefully it stops. If it doesn't, then we're gonna move to the left. No, to the right. Oh my god. Dear, do you feel it?
Ooh, so cool.
I'm gonna vomit.
And we're coming down again. Level 4.
Is this interesting or not?
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Okay, down level 3. So you're gonna jump out at level 1? No? You sure?
You can jump out if you want.
Are you gonna take the video?
No.
No? Okay, I'll jump out and I'll take a video of you.
Okay.
Okay?
Careful, yeah?
Yeah.
This is level 2.
Yeah. I just want to get ready.
We need to go to ground floor, right?
Yeah. Go to 1 and then it will go down.
Okay.
Oh no, it will go to after the 1. So this is 1. I'm not sure.
Okay, you should jump off here.
Yeah.
Ready? Bye.
No, I got the wrong one. What? Oh my gosh. I'll go down. I'll go down. Yeah. It's supposed to be ground floor here. Okay, we're gonna wait for him to come up from here. No, he's not here. Is he? Oh dear. Okay, this is the special lift. Look at that, so amazing. Hola. Whoa. How was it?
Pretty fun.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.